there's a document that puts a check in every box that you need that makes up a complete or comprehensive estate plan. These are the types of documents that pretty much every individual is going to need, no matter what their circumstances are. There may be additional documents based on your particular situation, your particular family dynamic, or assets. But for the most part, there's a baseline of documents that every individual needs. I don't care who you are, what you have, or what you're doing. So some of these documents, for example, that will typically be included in a comprehensive estate plan or would be, for example, a trust package. Now, I say package because there are several documents that make up a trust: the trust agreement itself, certificate of trust, certain funding documents, declarations, assignments, things like that. So those are important documents to have in the event you pass away. And a lot of people, of course, understand estate planning is, of course, what happens when I die. But what a lot of people don't think about is estate planning is also what happens if I don't. Well, what does that mean? Well, what happens if I live long enough, I'm suffering some type of serious illness or injury or dementia or some other event that causes me to be incapacitated? There are other documents that are incredibly important, such as a durable power of attorney for property and financial matters. If you lose the ability to handle your day to day business affairs, the stuff we take for granted every day, we don't even think about doing it, and we're doing it, you need to have someone that you've chosen who is authorized to do these things for you. Similarly, you lose the ability to make decisions over yourself, your medical decisions, healthcare decisions. It is important to have a durable power of attorney for healthcare, or what some people refer to as a medical power of attorney. Again, very crucial document. Everybody should have these documents. Something with regards to estate planning to avoid probate proceedings, certain financial documents to avoid conservatorship proceedings, and yet another document to avoid guardianship proceedings. You have the ability to avoid any and every aspect of probate. And in my professional opinion, you should do it. And understanding what documents you need begins with asking the right questions and getting the right answers that are specific to your unique situation. That's why we have startmyestateplan.com. If you visit that site, we're going to provide you with a free estate planning checklist that's going to help you not only identify what decisions you need to make, but actually give you the tools to start making them. Start filling in the blanks. We're happy to answer any questions that you have, and we actually look forward to doing so. You just have to take the first step and begin planning your estate.